morning, everyone. Today's mindfulness session is a little different. It's about I care. Let me share it with you. So, this is Mindful Me, My I Care. In this surge of online activities, we are spending a lot of time in front of the screen. Maybe it is learning or teaching, self study, or entertainment. We are in front of the screen a lot more times. So let's take good care of our eyes. I care, I comfort. Let me just share a few very simple, doable tips. How to go about it. So to begin with, by all means, if you want to turn your back to this screen, do that and just listen to what I have to say. So keep your computer screen at least 2 feet away from your eyes. Keep the top of your computer screen slightly below eye level. Adjust lighting to minimize glare on the screen. Children may take their parents' help to do this. And remember to blink frequently. What happens is, when we keep staring at the screen, the rate of blinking reduces. And that leads to drying up of your eyes due to lack of moisture. It causes irritation and sometimes maybe a headache. So to avoid that, blink frequently. And let's follow this 20-20-20 rule mindfully. What is it? Take a break for 20 after every 20 minutes from your screen. You don't have to get up from the screen if you are in a class or in a seminar, but after every 20 minutes, look away, focus somewhere else for 20 seconds. That is a 20-20-20 rule. Do it mindfully. It helps a great deal. So eye exercise. Remember these 5 exercises. Changing focus and do it 3 to 5 times. At least 2 times a day. So sit straight, be comfortable, breathe in and out slowly. I'll just explain these five rules to you, and then you can close your eyes. So we are going to look up and down. Try not to move your neck, but just the eye movements. Left to right, right to left. And round clockwise and anti-clockwise. Near and far. And figure of 8. So let's do it. With your neck straight, but shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes first. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and out. Open your eyes slowly. You don't have to look at the screen. With your neck straight in line, look up and down. Look up and down. Let's do it one more time. Look up and down. Now from left to right. Move your eyes to your left and to your right and back. So again left to right and back. Left to right and back. Now let's move our eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Imagine a wall clock in front of your eyes and then move your eyes accordingly. Clockwise once and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Clockwise and anti-clockwise. Then near and far. Thumbs up. Look at the tip of your thumb and then look far away. Again at the tip of your thumb and far away. Again at the tip of your thumb and look far away. So that is contracting and relaxing your eye muscles. And let's make a figure of 8. If you can do it just with your eyes, do it, or take an object in your hand and move it in the air and follow that figure like this. Right? Now comfort your eyes. We are going to massage your eyebrows and your eyes and then soothe them by palming. So, how to massage your eyebrows? Take your 2 fingers and start from the beginning. From here, hold them very lightly. Don't press them too hard and start like this. Press 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Let's do it one more time. Not to forget breathing along with it all the time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Don't open your eyes. Take first 3 fingers of both your hands and place them on your eyelids very lightly. Now you're going to massage your eyelids as if you're playing piano there with light fingers from your nose to outwards. So 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. If you want, just have a look once. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Don't open your eyes. Now rub your hands vigorously till you feel the warmth and place your hands on your eyes. That is called palming. Palming soothes the irritation of your eyes. It gives the warmth and comfort. Sit in this position for a few seconds Give your eyes all the energy required. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly open your eyes and move your hands away. You can do this palming many times a day. Whenever you feel a slight irritation or tiredness in your eyes, do palming. It helps a great deal. And remember, your eyes are unique. Protect them with rainbow diet. What is rainbow diet? You need vitamin A, C, and E for your eyes. So eat a lots of fresh food, lots of vegetables and fruits of all colors, green, orange, red, purple, yellow, whatever you like. And there are other foods like walnuts, rajma, and flax seeds. They contain essential omega-3 fatty acids that are important to the health of your eyes. So do discuss this point. Children, discuss this with your parents, or grown-ups can discuss it with their partners. And take very good care of your eyes. Thank you. Take care of your beautiful eyes. Bye bye.